everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for something comfortable, cute, that keeps your feet warm, definitely check these boots out. I've been in love with my ultra mini platform fashion boots. These are super trendy, they are super cute, they are super stylish and comfortable. I really appreciate because this gives me a little bit more height, which it's something I really love. And they are so warm in the inside that you can literally wear them without socks, just as I did right here. These are not only nice and trendy, but they are super good for anti-slip with the rubber sole. And I love that it has a round toe design, which makes it super comfortable. I even bring them with me to work right before putting my heels because they keep my feet warm and comfy. I promise you're gonna love these boots. They have a variety of beautiful colors. I appreciate that it's warm fur lined and they are anti-slip and super stylish. So there's no need to sacrifice style for comfort. If you have this beautiful boots here, I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.